Hello? Yes, this is Headmistress Little Stars. Who am I speaking to? Oh, yes. The trip will be on the 3rd of March, and we shall be communicating anytime soon. All right. I'll call you back. Oh, hi. You're welcome. How are you? Remind me of your name, please.
Emily.
Welcome back. Are you ready to start the new term?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Yes, please.
My name is Kusasula.
Thank you so much for bringing the student back. Ever in which class?
Primary 7.
Primary 7. Okay. Thank you so much for bringing her back. Everyone, you're gonna have a good time. Don't forget to read your books, okay? Thank you guys for coming back.
Yes.
We try our best. Let's hope you're happy with the performance. Say your goodbyes, everyone, and then
Bye. Great daddy.
Teacher Pamela, next please. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you. How are you doing?
We are fine.
Thank you for appreciating.
Yes, together the results. They are cool, they are nice, and everyone is asking me, where do you take your kids to school?
Little stars.
Yes, Little Stars. I told them that the uniform is so nice.
Yeah, that is the prefect's uniform, and then this is the regular uniform. I hope you've seen progress.
Yes.
The girl has been doing nice. You've been seeing the progress. We are trying, and we are going to be better anytime soon. To get about to introducing them into the Birunji, and you will be appreciating us.
I'm so appreciative. Thank you so much.
Hope are you guys ready to start?
Yes.
The new term?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We have trips coming up. We have to jump to emails and we have to attend that day. Send us a Kusasula everything. I want to be able to Kusasula, but we never knew where.
And they like the school.
You like it?
Yeah, they like Little Stars.
Yes. Alright, thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoy your journey back home, mommy. And the students enjoy your stay at school.
Okay, may God bless you.
God bless you.
Bye.
Teacher Pamela, anyone left inside?
Yes.
Please bring them in. Bring them in, please. So, come in, please. That sense of clouds and the Hi, remind me your name? Rahma, your name is Rahma. Hi, thank you so much for coming in.
Mama understand? Zije.
Banye nsaba mukwano gwange naye ajje.
Mukwano gwo naye ajje.
Nange nzije.
Muzadde munno. Kale usually to taking a one parent at a time naye waba mukwano kwasobola yingi.
Nzije
Maama Brighton jangu. Basi majango tule wano.
How was the holiday? Yingira mukwano.
Office nungi. Omuntu bwaba akyali eri ku gate tamanya ati eno waliyo office ennungi. Munange oli otya? Oli kiwala kito. Bino wabisoma?
Nabisoma.
Essomo lya taatawo lya maama wo liyo.
That is not why you're here. Mukwano gwasazeewo akuleete mwongere ku by'abaana. So mbadde nsaba tutandikire ku baana.
Wano baggalewo.
Lwaki? You want us to talk privately?
Wanki?
You want us to talk privately? Oyagala twogere nga nze naawe privately? Privately? Nga tuli feka?
Ngasa ono ne bwasigalawo naye nga tebatukulira.
Kale osobola okuggalawo. Please cause Rahma, you can help us. Omwana walinda.
Bannange. Mwakoze bulungi nabalayo ku mawulire. Kati n'essomero lyammwe limazewo bbanga ki?
Liddewo naye abaana y'ensonga enkulu kati.
Omwana wange asomera wano.
Nkimanyi bulungi omwana kasomera naye kunamanyi omwana yange
Namukwaya Hajara.
Namukwaya Hajara. Ate ogw'omwana
Wange yono Rahma.
I think I have a file of your students kubanga obuzibu bwe mulina Maama ne Maama Diana.
Nze munange n'abasinga bamanyi nnyo erya Maama Brighton. Kubanga kati nze ndi mukyala munaku. Ndako nzigemu engatto.
Ate bw'otaka kujjamu engatto, please, you don't need to take off your shoes. You do not need to take off your shoes. You don't need to take off your shoes. Please leave the shoes on. Leave the shoes on.
Ninawo abaana babiri. Namukwaya Hajara.
Abaana abamanyi. Let's get to the point of the money. Because at the end of the day, we want the school to progress. Atenga yemwe abaleta akasente akasobola okusasula abasomesa n'okukulaakulanya essomero. So how are you doing financially? Financially, how are things going? Because owes you a lot of money, and I don't know what we are going to do about it.
Nina abaana babiri. Baali basomera ku sente zito. Kati sente zitene nga bansumbuwa ne mbajjayo.
Abakusumbuira ki?
Abasomesa baayo beefuula abamanyi nnyo okubanja. Beefuula nti bo tebasobola kukolerako mu mabanja. Buli omu wamma mu nsomero akolera mu mabanja.
Naye kati ffe wano ku ssomero lyaffe Little Stars tumaze ebbanga ddene nga tukubanja ssente nnyingi. Ate ofundako ono yagezaako n'aliteeza
Maama Nakitende
gwe oli bubi nnyo Maama Brighton. Maama Nakitende tumbanja akadde kamu emitwalo 7. Maama Brighton, the school owes you 4.3 million and 60,000 Uganda shillings.
ze sente mmeka?
Mukadde muna n'emitwalo 36.
Neŋŋaana okusasula.
Okay, tutandike upya Maama Brighton. Essaawa eno oleseeko sente mmeka?
Ko mmeka?
Ezo zetukubanja mitwalo.
Ono ye aleeseeko mmeka?
Oleseeko mmeka Maama Nakitende?
Madam Ponzi bamanja luwe.
Kubanja kadde kamu emitwalo 7 for the last term and term enoga etandika.
Madam mbadde nakunganyizzaawo 5.
Ogayina?
Ngayina madam.
Osobola gasasula, ogenda gasasula kukozesa marshal code yaffe. Ate Maama Brighton olinawo sente mmeka?
Ku mmeka?
Maama Brighton, miliyoni 4 mu emitwalo 36. 4,360,000 Uganda shillings is what the school owes you. How much money have you come with today?
Bugenda sasula ku mmeka?
She has said agenda sasula emitwalo 5 that is on her and her child. Omwana wo ogenda musasulira sente mmeka ze wakaleetako kuze tukubanja. Maama Brighton, do not waste my time. I want to know how much money you've come with today.
Naye tokambuwana. Fena sente
Because Maama Brighton, you've come to
tunoonya
my office many times and I keep telling you the same thing and you keep doing the same repetitive thing. Tosasula sente, I do not know why. I have teachers abamanja sente. Actually, 2 teachers. One manja mukade video, one manja mukade kamu kitundu. And it is you guys, the money that you bring that pay those
naye
teachers.
era bw'osinga wategeera nti
Maama Brighton, how much money have you come with?
tukozesa luzungu.
How much money have you come with today?
Tommanja mu luzungu.
Olese sente mmeka Maama Brighton. I am tired of this because at the end of the day we are going to reach a point and terminate the student.
Nanti kakati nange era njagala ontegeere. Ffenna buli omu ategeeremu ne ffenna tuli bantu. Yogera olulimi
Olese sente
lwentegeera.
mmeka Maama Brighton?
Manja mu Luganda. Toddamu kuma. Anti nange sooka ompulize.
Olese sente mmeka? Tukyuke ku kya sente. Olese sente mmeka? I don't even want to look there because what I'm seeing is not making me happy. Olese sente mmeka Maama Brighton?
Kambalemu.
Bala. Maama Nakitende, you're going to pay your money using our merchant ID. Your money is on Airtel or MTN?
Airtel.
Ziri ku Airtel. Ogenda sasula merchant ID. Ogamba emitwalo 5. Sigale nga tukubanja kamu 2.
Ngende nzijayo wali ku mobile money.
No, so oziri ku simu. So sasuza merchant ID, tulina merchant ID wali ku somero ya Airtel that you can use.
Eri wa basa. Eyo gundi eyo ojo party code eri wa basa.
Yes, merchant ID.
Oba nange gye mansasuza.
So kombine sente zoyina. How much money do you have? 4,360,000 is how much the school owes you.
Nanti ngezaako kubala.
Rahma, how was the holiday?
The holiday was fine.
It was nice?
Yes.
Okay. Nakitende, do not waste my time, please. The other parents outside. Maama Brighton, don't waste my time, please. Waliyo abazadde abalawera abagala oyingira zireete nzebalire. Zino sente mmeka? How much money is that?
Obazeemu mmeka?
How much money is that? Gwempadde mmeka?
Mukaaga.
Zikole ki? Do you know, nkukamye tukumanya sente mmeka? How much money have I told you?
Miliyoni 4.36.
This is not even 0.0001% of that money. So what do you want us to do with this money? To give them ice cream, Rahma? What Brighton? To give them ice cream, Bali? Because this money can only buy ice cream. Maama Brighton. Atumpaza nasende tusiga tukumanya sente mmeka. Maama Brighton, please. Tusiga tukumanya sente mmeka. Mama Nakitende miyambe ko tusiga tukumanya sente mmeka.
Miliyoni 4.3.
Ogenda zireeta.
Kyabala.
Ogenda zireeta ddi? Miliyoni 4.3 ogenda zireeta ddi? Kati zino emitwalo gy'okusigala gana sente kino emitwalo kakansoke ngitereke wano.
Olinako eyataye mu kusimu yo nkubire taata w'abaana bange.
Omugambe ki? You don't have a fourth?
Bali mu magye. Kati baleka bali mu kulwana.
But I thought when you bring the child to school, you have the discussion with their father and let them know how much money you need to pay. So I don't know why you want to come here at school and then try to make me call your husband and ask for that money. Why are you here? First tell me, why are you here? Why have you come in my office? Why are you here? Because I don't even have time for this. Why are you here?
Headmistress, my daughter is a singer.
What does that mean?
Singer who sing music. You know, song or regular.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
Concert cut her. Now when concert cut her, I don't have
Maama Brighton,
money.
I'm trying to be as empathetic as I can be with you, but at this point I don't understand what you're saying. Because at the end of the day, you want your child to come to school, okay, don't you? You have to do whatever it takes to make sure your child gets education from Little Star, because we are one of the best schools in the country. So I don't think I need your reasons of why you're not being able to pay. I just want the money. That has nothing to do with you.
Kati tuzigabanemu 25 osasulireko wange nange wange
ngolodde nkubanja.
That is a discussion between you two. By the end of the day, Maama Brighton, if you do not bring the money by the end of the month, omwana tugenda mukubyawo waka.
Katukole bwe tuti bwe sasule bwe mba sisasudde ezo
You've only got 60,000. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Madam, other parents are leaving.
Other parents want to come inside and leave, and you're wasting my time. 60,000.
Kati
Madam Gisiredi is always getting money, is taking to Luganda doctors.
To do what?
Abasawa abaganda.
And you do that in front of the children?
Neta, Madam nze kankubulire. Nze ndi mukyala munaku. Abasajja banzaddemu abaana babandekedde sirina.
Do you agree Little Stars is one of the best schools in the country? And you want to bring your child here? Oyagala omwana wasomere musomero erisinga mu Uganda munene. Omanyi sente ze tusasula. Lwaki tomenga sure obusobozi bwo okusobola okusasula esente ezo?
Munenya abasajja. Omusajja omugaana n'akwesibako ng'akuwadde olubuto. Wakuwa olubuto ng'ataakuzaala
the situation that is going on right now. I just want to know, Maama Brighton, when are you bringing the rest of the money? When are you bringing the rest of the money? The 4.3.
Oh no, then now Diana.
Because you've only given us
rest is muwerera.
Agambye si
4 points. Who's resting?
Balance omuleta ddi.
balance
million.
When I bring in the rest of the money, the 4.3 million.
eyo manja mu luzungu
Million nyamu emitwalo 3 ogenda zireetadde. Mukwano akamu abiri ogenda kaleetadde. Your child Rahma is one of the best students between Kulina and Sumera. Naye ate tekitegeeza nti ssente talina ssasula. Kitegeera Rahma ajja ssoma naye nga ssente naawe. We appreciate nti gwe at least of being ogamba koliteko 500, which is not a bad amount, unlike Maama Brighton who has bought just 60,000 Ugandan shillings. Naye ssente ezo naye tuzaagala ssente.
nange mwebale kukwata kasente kange
Maama Brighton, tuula mu ntebe. Mama Nakitende, we need the rest of the money before the end of this month. Abana balina trip on the 3rd of March this very year.
abaana bagenda kulambula
ezo sente zonna zengasse tukubanja sente eza trip, ez'okulambula, eza lunch, eza transport, zonna wozigata, that is how much money. Luli twalina trip ya mitwalo 6 waleetako 2 ezi
naye nga tebalina kibadde nakyo singa bagenda no mukibira ne bagamba nti yakumyewo n'omuti singa yaddako Rahma wooli naye nze ŋŋamba wange Hajara mutugamba wano abaana bagenda ku trip ne tubabuuza bagenda kulambula wa nti bagenda mu zoo bwe yakomawo ne mubuuza omwana olinayo endogoyi olinayo ezzike.
It is not about that, Maama Brighton. It is not. Did you go to school?
Buzibu onkambwalira mu luzungu.
Maama Brighton. Maama Brighton.
Wangi.
Wagendako ku trip nga muli ku ssomero. Mwakyalako mwagenda mwanambulangako
nze nagenda ng'ewajjajja wange.
No. Maama Brighton, I'm talking about trips. Abana bagendako ku museum, bagendako ku Action Falls, bagendako ku Britannia. They go to such places. That is what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about your judge's place.
Ffe baatugambanga kimu kulima.
Kati naawe abaana b'ennaku zino bagenda era abaana abo bagenda ku museum, they go to experience. So it is just about the experience.
Ku music waliyo ki?
Museum.
Anti waliyo ki?
Tikyanze za tulipo bazirense mu cash.
Maama Brighton, onenda kika 2 nga tonavamu entebe kufuluma. Baka sune mitwalo 3 kitundu.
Ku music akantu kayogedde yeno gye batereka ebyobulambuzi.
Maama Brighton, omwana wange agenda ku trip.
Okugenda agenda naye headmistress kyenjagala banyinyonnyole ku trip bagenda wa?
Bagenda ku Action Falls kuba oli bagenda ku museum.
Anti njagala obinnyonnyole mu Luganda nti
museum gye bagenda okulambula ebintu bya Uganda ebikadde gye bibeera emmotoka.
So omwana waakomawo akawanga?
Atakomawo nabyo talina kyabikosa. It is just about the experience.
Bw'avaayo agenda nga bw'agenze n'avaayo nga bw'agenze.
Maama Brighton, I'm not going to argue with you on this matter. The kids are going to Action Falls on 3rd of March. Omwana waana agenda oba taagenda.
Baba bagenda kusoma. Basoma ekintu nga bakirabako. Madamu kyagezaako okugamba.
Kati anti okusoma ng'okirabako era osobola kikwata n'okizza n'okireeta.
Maama Brighton.
Eba babbira bwereere. Kati ezo ssente lwaki tazitadde ku fees?
Maama Brighton.
Batukaka ebintu byabwe bakola mu.
Maama Brighton. On the 3rd of March 2024, omwana tumuleeta kuba tagenda mbeerawo yekka. Abaana, the rest of the school is going for a trip, okay? And yours is not going. So abeere ewaka oba oyagala omutwale mu nnimiro, omutwale yonna gy'oyagala, but they don't come to school.
Ate singa amaaso wadde nze ne mwetikkira ne muleeta gye mugenze.
No. Ofune much. Maama Brighton, please, I'm left with a few minutes with these parents. Naye esawa enangenda paka kumbe bagende.
Mbadde mbuuza. School fees bwe mba sizisasudde mugenda kunkola ki?
Kakati kye tugenda okukola. Omwana wali mu class ki Maama Brighton?
Ino wa P7 ne P6.
Wa P7 tagenda kukola PLE. PLE ogimanyi?
Anti oyo osobola omutwala mu kyalo n'amukolera eyo mu bya gavumenti.
Balina index number? Balina index number? Kati omwana wa class
P6.
Kati ky'oba okola, engeri tukulanja zino ssente zonna, tugenda in court and you will give us this money and then we shall terminate the student. Omwana wo omutwala omuteeke okusomera eddala naye ng'omaze okusasula zino ssente. That is what we are going to do, Maama Brighton. We are going to go to court. Tugenda mu court. You get a lawyer. You get a family lawyer and we'll get the school lawyer Yeah, and then we shall deal with it in court. You put at 4.3 and then you take your child. Obviously, it also zip back at you. I'm going to know what to allow.
Kati musoke mu mpogo omukaga munsibire ddala makinganga.
Maama Brighton. 4,360,000. Wotuwaddeko emitwalo mukaaga tukubanja emitwalo miliyoni 4.3 zituwe otwale abaana bo mu bitiibwa.
Sizirina. Ompola.
Maama Brighton, do you have a lawyer? Do you have a lawyer?
Yeah.
Lawyer Mugambi.
Abawaliriza abazibe emisango.
Nazza musango ki?
Bakubanja.
The school owes you money. So you want to benefit from the school, you want your child to come here and get the best education in the country.
Nze ngamba we sente zimbuze bagobi mwana nadde waka ne mulonyeze sole ddala.
Atenga bamubanja miliyoni.
The school owes you a lot of money.
Maama Brighton obuzeebo wano John Bulaka muhulira abadde apoota ng'akukolesa ssente ze naye teyalabye okuyadde 10.
Kati omwana gwe babanja zaaki zakusoma. Musigaze ebitabo.
Maama Brighton, if you don't give us the money, we are going to keep the children hostage until you give us the money.
Mubateeke mu hostel sirina buzibu.
No, we are going to hold them hostage.
Anti era kyekyo muteeke mu hostel tewali buzibu.
We are going to hold them hostage.
Bagenda kusiba mukazi watunga nkubuulire.
Abaana tugenda batwala tubatereke nga tebasoma nga tobalabako paka wetuwa ssente.
Kanjiyeyo akasente.
Kayiye kati okambulireko ogenda osobola okufuna. In fact, let me give you a deadline. Today is what? Today is 11th, and your deadline is actually, I'm going to give you this whole month. Let me write your deadline. Right in here, 29th Feb is your deadline.
Kati ngenda kunoonya ssente naye tukkiriziganya
Kuchacha.
bwe malayo ssente zammwe nga ntwala abaana bange ku miliyoni 4.3 gy'ommanja kati
Maama Brighton, abaana bo bali mudde bali mu
boarding ku miliyoni 4.3 gy'ommanja kati kanyene nkulekulira emitwalo 7.
Teacher Pamela, please give me other parents. Maama Brighton, this conversation has ended. We shall not continue it. Please take your children with you, and we shall see each other in court. Thank you very much. Next parent, please.
Madam, msasulirawa.
Merchant agende wabasa agenda kwa merchant ID osasule ku mubanga.
Naye omukazi wammwe mukambwe bana.
Next parent, please.
Madam Shazden.